Imagine a world where diseases like polio or smallpox still ran rampant, where simple infections meant a death sentence, and where we had no clue how to perform life-saving surgeries. Thanks to incredible medical breakthroughs over the years, that grim reality is mostly history. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most important medical breakthroughs that transformed healthcare and saved millions, if not billions, of lives. Some are recent, some decades old, but all are game changers. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 10. Vaccines, the shield against deadly diseases. Vaccines are arguably the most powerful medical innovation in history. The concept dates back to Edward Jenner in 1796 when he developed the smallpox vaccine using material from cowpox lesions. That breakthrough paved the way for the eradication of smallpox in 1980, one of humanity's greatest triumphs. Fast forward to today, vaccines protect us from diseases like measles, polio, hepatitis, and influenza. And the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated vaccine technology like never before, introducing mRNA vaccines that teach our cells how to fight viruses in record time. This advancement is not just a milestone for COVID-19, but holds promise for future vaccines against cancers and other viruses. Vaccines don't just save lives, they prevent suffering, reduce healthcare costs, and protect entire communities through herd immunity. They're a shining example of prevention being better than cure. Number 9. Antibiotics, turning deadly infections into treatable conditions. Before antibiotics, a simple scratch or sore throat could lead to deadly infections. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928 revolutionized medicine by providing a tool to fight bacterial infections effectively. Penicillin was just the beginning. Since then, thousands of antibiotics have been developed to combat a variety of bacteria, saving countless lives from pneumonia, tuberculosis, sepsis, and more. However, today's biggest challenge is antibiotic resistance, caused by overuse and misuse of these drugs. Scientists are racing to find new antibiotics and alternative therapies, highlighting that even medical breakthroughs need constant vigilance and innovation. Number 8. Anesthesia, making surgery possible and humane. Imagine undergoing surgery fully awake. No anesthesia means unbearable pain and shock. The introduction of anesthesia in the mid-19th century changed surgery forever. In 1846, William Morton publicly demonstrated the use of ether to render a patient unconscious during surgery, a breakthrough that made complex procedures possible without agony. Today, anesthesia is highly advanced, tailored to each patient, and combined with pain management techniques. This breakthrough opened the doors to modern surgery, including transplants, heart operations, and even brain surgery, which would be unthinkable otherwise. Number 7. Medical imaging, seeing inside without surgery. Before medical imaging, doctors had to rely on external symptoms and guesswork. The discovery of X-rays by Wilhelm Röntgen in 1895 gave us the first peek inside the human body without cutting it open. Since then, technologies like MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, CT scans, ultrasound, and PET scans have advanced diagnosis to a whole new level. These tools help detect cancer, brain injuries, heart disease, and even fetal development during pregnancy. Medical imaging has not only improved diagnosis, but also guides minimally invasive surgeries, increasing precision and reducing recovery times. This ability to see inside has saved millions by catching diseases early. Number 6. Insulin, the lifeline for diabetes patients. Before 1921, a diagnosis of type 1 diabetes was a death sentence. Patients would slowly waste away as their bodies couldn't regulate blood sugar. That changed with the discovery of insulin by Frederick Banting and Charles Best. Insulin therapy transformed diabetes from fatal to manageable, allowing patients to live long, productive lives. Since then, insulin delivery has evolved from painful injections to pumps and continuous glucose monitors, making management easier and more precise. With diabetes affecting hundreds of millions worldwide today, insulin remains a cornerstone medical breakthrough in chronic disease management. Number 5. Organ transplantation, giving people a second chance. The idea of transplanting organs was once science fiction, but in 1954, the first successful kidney transplant between identical twins proved it was possible. Since then, organ transplantation has saved millions, extending life and improving quality dramatically. Advances in surgical techniques, immunosuppressive drugs, and donor matching have made heart, liver, lung, pancreas, and even hand transplants feasible. Ethical and logistical challenges remain, especially donor shortages, but innovations like 3D printed organs and xenotransplantation, animal organs for humans, offer hope for the future. Organ transplantation truly epitomizes medicine's power to restore life. Number 4. The Human Genome Project, unlocking the blueprint of life. Launched in 1990 and completed in 2003, the Human Genome Project was a massive international effort to map all the genes in human DNA. This breakthrough has transformed medicine by revealing the genetic basis of many diseases. It enables personalized medicine, tailoring treatments based on a patient's genetic profile. Genomic medicine is already helping identify cancer mutations, inherited disorders, and responses to drugs, improving outcomes and reducing side effects. With ongoing research, gene editing technologies like CRISPR are poised to correct genetic defects, potentially curing diseases previously deemed incurable. The Human Genome Project ushered in the era of precision medicine, healthcare designed for the individual, not the masses. Number 3, telemedicine and digital health. Healthcare goes virtual. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated a breakthrough many were already working on: telemedicine. The ability to consult doctors remotely via video calls, apps, or messaging has revolutionized healthcare access. Telemedicine reduces barriers like distance, mobility issues, and time constraints, making healthcare more inclusive. Digital health tools like wearable fitness trackers, AI-powered diagnostics, and mobile apps empower patients to monitor their health and manage chronic diseases effectively. As technology advances, telemedicine is not just a convenience, but a necessity that will continue to evolve, especially in underserved areas worldwide. Number 2, immunotherapy, mobilizing the body's defense to fight cancer. Cancer treatment has long been a challenge, with chemotherapy and radiation often causing harsh side effects. But immunotherapy has emerged as a breakthrough by harnessing the body's immune system to target and destroy cancer cells. Drugs called checkpoint inhibitors, CAR T-cell therapies, and cancer vaccines are transforming survival rates for cancers like melanoma, lymphoma, and lung cancer. This approach is highly personalized and often leads to long-lasting remission, representing a paradigm shift in oncology. Immunotherapy showcases how understanding our body's natural defenses can lead to powerful, targeted treatments. Number 1, CRISPR gene editing life itself. One of the most groundbreaking recent breakthroughs is CRISPR-Cas9, a gene editing tool discovered in 2012. It allows scientists to precisely cut and modify DNA sequences in living organisms. CRISPR's potential is enormous, correcting genetic mutations causing diseases, developing new treatments for cancer, and even eradicating inherited disorders before birth. Already, clinical trials are underway for diseases like sickle cell anemia and muscular dystrophy. While ethical concerns exist, the technology promises to revolutionize medicine by fixing diseases at their source, our DNA. Today, as artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and personalized medicine advance, the pace of breakthroughs is accelerating. Imagine a future where diseases are diagnosed instantly with a handheld device, organs are grown in labs, and cures are tailored uniquely to you. What's clear is this: medical breakthroughs don't just save lives, they change the very fabric of society, extend our lifespans, and improve quality of life for everyone. So next time you get a vaccine, take an antibiotic, or talk to your doctor via video call, remember you're part of an incredible legacy of human progress. If you found this journey through medical history fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and comment below. What medical breakthrough do you think will change the world next? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.